Hi guys, and welcome to the second day of my video diary where I talk about my journey to building my first SaaS product. So yesterday I talked about starting this process and doing a lot of research in order to make the decision on the best tools to use. So today I thought to talk about those tools. What are the tools I'm using? So back end, I'm going to be using Django, which is a Python framework. Front end, I'm going to be using Next.js and React Native for the app. So I'm choosing Django because it's a Python framework, and Python was the first programming language I learned, and Python is a very easy to learn programming language. And I also think down the line, I want to incorporate some AI tools, some AI potentials. I want this service to have that. So I'm going to be doing that with Python. And so it's true, I can build the back end with with the JavaScript framework and still integrate, link it to still integrate the AI potential which I want to integrate. But I just felt like, yeah, do Python because, like I said, my goal with this NDP is looking for the easiest tool to get it out there. Then down the line, as I need to scale, as I need to update, I'm going to do that as need be. Because in the beginning I was frozen by trying to decide what is the best tool to use, what is the most secure tool to use, all those kind of decisions. And I watched a lot of videos, and some people say this, some people say this, some people say everybody has a different opinion based of their experience using those products. And I feel that with most of the things we want to do in coding, we can achieve with a lot of products. So somebody will tell you, yeah, I use this product and I built a very secure, easy to scale website. Some other person tells you, I use this one, I use this one, because most of those things can be achieved with that variety. It's true, there's probably a best framework to use, a best type of language to use to code in order to attain certain potential, or the other to do certain things with code. But I think for a start, I'm just going to stick with what I know so far, what I can do, and what is easiest to get the MVP out there. And down the line, yeah, I can change. And like I said yesterday, what really gave me this mindset was a podcast which I listened to that reminded us of the fact that most big companies, they were not as put together as they are today, and most big companies are, they rewrite their entire code base down the line either way. So there's a high potential that once you start scaling, you probably need to rewrite your code base. So you might as well not overthink it and just start with what you can start with. And once the need be, you do what you have to do, because once you get big enough, you get enough clients, and you, the money is, the funds are there, you can hire enough people and you can do those things. But for now, you're just a one-man army trying to do stuff. You need to get the product out there. What is the easiest way? What are the easiest tools you can use? What do you already know? What you have at the time. I will also say, I for the past few years I have been coding majorly with JavaScript, React, and of recent I've been using a lot of Next.js. And I recently just built the website front end, back end using Next.js because Next.js is awesome like that. But I decided to go with Python for the back end. Like I said, I want to integrate the AI tool thing, and I thought, yeah, it'll be easier if I'm doing the coding for the AI tool thing in Python. Why not just build the whole back end in Python? So that's why I made that choice. But it would have been easier for me to just build the front end and back end with Next.js, to be honest. But yeah, I made that decision, and I would say I'm paying for it because since I've been coding majorly with Next.js, there are a lot of things which I've forgotten about Python, and Django is still a framework which I'm still getting the hang of. So I have to watch a lot of tutorial, I have to read a lot of documentation, I have to do a lot of research in order to build a lot of things, which if I was using Next.js, it would have been faster. Sometimes I think like maybe my decision wasn't the best, and I want to change my mind and just stick to my Next.js. But I'm like, you started with this Python, and you should stick to it. You should stick to it, and I'm going to stick to it, and that's what I'm going to do. Guys, pray for me. I hope I can prove this true. I really do hope I can prove this true. I hope I can take this to the finish line. So that's it for my choice of tools, and that's where I'm at today. I'm just basically going to be coding like yesterday, and let's see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I don't want to make these videos too long. This is just a video diary where I just share my thoughts with every passing day as I go through this journey. And yeah, if you're interested, subscribe and hit the notification button if you're interested to know how this journey goes, and hopefully inspires you to take a bold step to go on a journey. We can go on this journey together, and hopefully inspires you. Like I said, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.